To day 7, your first week as a brand new Mary Kay Beauty Consultant. Congratulations. Now, the first thing that I want to tell you is it doesn't have to all be done by today. All the things that I've thrown at you, you've probably been on Mary Kay in Touch, and there's an awful lot of information there too. And it can seem like it can be a little overwhelming. I promise you that in about 3 months, you're going to go, oh, I get this. You'll have found your stride, and it'll be a lot easier once you get to that point. Almost every beauty consultant says the same thing. So that's kind of interesting, right? But Mary Kay gives you an extra month to be a brand new beauty consultant. And I want more than anything for you to take advantage of all the programs that are available in this Great Start program for you in your first 4 months, because we want you to get the highest amount of commission checks. I want you to be able to be selling this product, and I want you to get free products from Mary Kay. So that is really great to take advantage of that Great Start program. And so we wanted you to start to, make sure that you take advantage of those 15 people that are going to watch a video in your first 30 days. And also, I will talk about this a little bit later. There is continuing new consultant education that's going to be going on for you. All right, and I'll tell you those times. But before I start to talk about that, the specifics of that, I want to talk about dreaming. All right, and when we're little girls, we have these dreams of all these things we want to do, and as we progress into adulthood, a lot of times those dreams are put aside because you're thinking about day-to-day things that have to get done, schedules, and you've got to pay bills. And one of the reasons why you became a Mary Kay Beauty Consultant is to help with those bills. And I would like to have that even go further. What can your Mary Kay money do for you to help you really dream? And things that this business is so you can say yes to things you've been saying no to, like that vacation or that renovation or that new car or all kinds of things that can be something that can be really fun for you in your life. Mary Kay can be the answer. And the best way to do that is to take advantage of these first 4 months, the Great Start, right? And so, again, we're going to have you breathe. Now, this is not the end of your new consultant education from me, okay? So every Monday at 8 o'clock, I'm going to do a Zoom. It's 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be doing a Zoom for brand new beauty consultants, all right? And your first 4 months, you're brand new, all right? And I do a weekly Zoom for our whole unit on Tuesday nights. And of course, I want you to join that as well. But if you're need to just choose one night, I would definitely choose the Monday nights until you have completed your first 4 months of your business. All right, so anyway, I just want to tell you that I totally believe in you, and you can do this one day at a time. All right, and if you're a really busy person, let me recommend the weekly plan sheet. It's on In Touch. You can go to the search bar and type that in and it will come up, and you can print them up, or you can make some sort of thing on your computer. I'm such a paper girl, so I'm going to tell you to print it up. And on days that I have way too much on my plate, I actually fill in from 9 to 10 I do this, from 10 to 11 I do that, and from 11 to 12 I do that. And if you have a big busy thing, that is a great way to know where your opportunities are to be able to reach out to those 15 people and to do your 24 people in 24 hours. So schedule this stuff so you have time to reach out and ask and to make those offers, and that is a great tool for you. All right, so that's the weekly plan sheet. And this is a business that is, as I said, mathematical. It's not magical. It's the day-to-day efforts that you make today are going to pay off for you tomorrow, the next month, the next year. So just be steady and get a pace for yourself, and you're going to be just fine, and you're going to love this business. And when you see those commission checks come in, it's going to be so great. And when you have a $300 appointment, you'll be jumping up for joy. It just feels so great to make accomplishments that are efforts that you made from your decisions, and no boss is telling you what you have to do and what you don't have to do. But to be successful, steadiness is your best friend. So go ahead and look for my Zoom invite, and we will see you on Mondays.